Hi friends, my name is Raj and you're watching Tech White. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this no boot device found error. Press any key to reboot the machine. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this error. I'm using a Dell laptop, a Dell Latitude series laptop. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to fix this error. First, you need to shut down your laptop first. Then turn it on again. Okay, now you have to press F2 key, F2 function key to open your BIOS menu on Dell laptop. Continuously press F2. Now here you can see the BIOS option. First go to system information. This is the option on the left side. On the right side you can see the detail system information. So first you have to check your hard disk is showing or not on BIOS. So in my case the hard disk is showing correctly. I'm using a 240 GB SSD hard disk and it's showing on my BIOS menu. That means the hard disk is physically fine. There is no hardware issue on my disk. So after that go to boot sequence option on the left side. So now on the right side you have to choose UEFI mode. Choose this option UEFI. That's it. Now click on apply. Click on OK to apply the changes. Here you can see. Now click on exit. Now your laptop will be restart. So you can see now Windows is loading and the issue has been solved now. So first you have to check your hard disk is showing or not in BIOS. In my case hard disk is showing correctly. That means there is no hard disk issue. And after that you have to choose UEFI mode. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching Tech White. Have a nice day.